Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my affordable and curated home decor haul, and I'll be unboxing some beautiful Amazon finds too. I'll give you lots of great styling ideas as well and show you how I plan on styling these items throughout my home. And you'll get to see my first impressions of unboxing some of these Amazon items. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you never miss a video. And please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Just say hi. I love hearing from you, so I really appreciate that. I've got lots of great items all around me and I'm so excited to share them with you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's kick things off with what I ordered from Amazon. I have been so excited to open these boxes. So I'm gonna start with one of the smaller boxes here. So sometimes little boxes are my favorite because they always have really unique and beautiful items in them. Oh my gosh, I love them. These are two mini rustic metal taper candle holders. These just had such a beautiful vintage charm to them. I love all the detail. I really like mixing in warm vintage pieces with some modern decor. I just feel like it adds so much interest, so much charm, and really helps to cozy things up. Look how beautiful these are. They really are giving this antique feel, this old world vibe feel. I love the finish on them. So Amazon actually had this item in a few different finishes. I went with the brown finish, but it also came in antique gold, a beautiful blue, a distressed white, and even a gray. I think that these would look so cute in a nice fall vignette, or maybe even just on the coffee table, maybe on top of a stack of books. They're just super charming and elegant. These could also be really cute for place settings. So if you're hosting for an event or maybe over the holidays, I could see having one of these at each and every single place setting. And I just think that they would make such a beautiful statement. I like how they're footed at the bottom. You can see that it has these 3 little feet at the bottom here, and subtle details like this I think are so important because even though this is a very small item, these are of course very small items, they really do make a big impact depending on how you place them. So you want to place them in a space that has a lot of negative space, meaning allowing room for these items to shine. Whereas these might get lost in a larger vignette, you can really find a beautiful spot for them on a bookshelf or a coffee table, even on a console table or a side table. How cute would one of these be on the side of a nightstand, like in a guest room? They're just so charming. I'm super happy with this Amazon find. All right, so this next Amazon item that I'll be unboxing, this one is a matchstick holder. It's a concrete matchstick holder. And I've been looking for another option for my matchstick holder. I do have a glass one, but I wanted to bring something in that would warm things up, especially as we move into the cooler months soon. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the petal shape of this matchstick holder. The striker is on the bottom, and that's what I really liked when I saw this on Amazon. I like that you've got the striker there already, and they also give you 2 extra, it looks like they gave you 2 stickers, which you can just pop right there on the bottom. Once this striker wears out, you can replace it with these 2. I've really been liking the organic, natural feel of stone items. So when I saw this on Amazon, I was hoping that it would be just as cute in person as it was in the description. This one is like a nice milky beige color. It's very neutral. So I thought this would look really pretty on our coffee table, and it's also very practical. So I always like when decor is functional and beautiful at the same time, and that's exactly what this piece is. Of course, you don't have to always use this as a matchstick holder. I like that it's very versatile. So if you just need like a little pop of greenery, you can put like a very small pick or stem in here and just like pop this on a stack of books, or maybe in the side of a powder room on a vanity. And I just think that it would work really well all around. It's just a super neutral piece. It's very cute. So this is the current matchstick holder I'm using, which I also do really love. I purchased it from Amazon, but I was just looking for a different option. I'm running low on matches, so when I order the next set of matches, I'll probably size up on them so that they're sticking out a little bit more. But just to give you a feel for the very earthy and organic vibe that this has, I really just love it. I think it's so cute, so beautiful, a really nice way to display your matches. And I'm again super excited that it adds some extra warmth to my decor going into the cooler months. Okay, so this next box is an item that I've had my eye on for several months now. Let's see how they look in person. These are glass candle holders, and I'm hoping that they came in one piece. Okay. Oh, they're so pretty. It's another set of taper candle holders, but these are very sleek. I really liked the profile of these, which is why I ordered them. They come in a set of 2. Look at how pretty these are. I still have my taper candle glass hurricane that I purchased last year from Target, and I use it all the time. I love it. it's a little bit wider, and right now it's on my bookshelf, but I really wanted something else that were a little bit skinnier that I can kind of move around, maybe work on the end of my kitchen island, or maybe in our bedroom. And these are so beautiful. I was thinking that as we move into fall, it'd be really nice to have like one of those really dark colors, like a nice chocolatey brown color in that twisted taper. And I think that they would look so elegant and so pretty in these glass taper candle holders. But all in all, I think that glass just gives you so much versatility because you can go with changing the color of the candle inside the glass, but you can also fill the bottom of this glass. Like I've done with our taper candle holder that we purchased from Target, I'll usually add some filler in the bottom based on the season. So you can always do that as well. I just think that it gives you so many great options for changing them from season to season. And this is one of those items that you could really keep out all year long. Keep it simple like this. Don't add anything to it at all outside of a candle, or add in some details to just give it that fall feel or maybe like a holiday feel. Ooh, I bet even around Christmas time, these would look beautiful if you tied like a beautiful, nice velvet ribbon around them. And then I always like to think about what I have. So I know that I have a lot of glass vessels that are just mixed in sizes that I keep stored in our cabinet. Sometimes I'll pull them out and I'll just add in different stems based on the seasons and just create like a really nice dining table centerpiece. And it looks really pretty and also very gathered. It gives off that gathered feel when you have a lot of glass items that are same material but different heights, different shapes. So I think that adding these two items would also be really nice mixed in with some other glass vases of different heights and sizes, and maybe you put tea lights in some of them, tapers in some of them, pillars in some of them. I think that would add a really cool vibe. And I'm even thinking like for Halloween, you can like drape some spider webs over and around these and just make them really give it that kind of spooky vibe, but also keep things elegant. These are definitely taller than I expected. I should definitely be checking the height more because I think in my mind I envisioned them being a little bit shorter, but that's okay. I think that the height of them just adds to their elegance and just makes them look really simple and beautiful. So very happy with Amazon for not only the item that they provided, but how they packaged them, because both of these came totally perfect in great condition. Okay, moving on to the items that I found at HomeSense, starting with this one piece that I absolutely could not leave there. It is this gorgeous pedestal bowl. This was such a solid find. So I actually saw this item at Home Goods a couple of weeks before, and I didn't get it and I regretted it. And I thought there's no way I'm gonna find it there again. I did go back to Home Goods and it was gone. But when I went to HomeSense, lo and behold, there it was. I love the color of it because it's black, but it has like a nice deep terracotta finish to it. You could even see terracotta peeking out underneath it, which I completely love. I really love the fluted detail on the side as well. I think it just adds that extra texture and really just gives it that extra interest. And there are so many things that you can do with an item like this. First of all, if you're entertaining, you can use it as a serving piece. So I always like to kind of place food and things on different levels at different heights because it just helps to add a lot of dimension and depth to the tablescape. But for home decor, just using it year round, I think this would make for a really beautiful candle holder. So you can place pillars of different sizes maybe in them and just have it make a nice statement maybe on the side of a kitchen island. Even the candle holders that I just shared that I unboxed from Amazon, I think that maybe 2 of these would look really pretty in here, and then I can add in some lower candles just to give it some different levels. Sometimes I maybe style a vignette that's made up of like some smaller items, and then I get tired of it and then I just want to replace it with like one big statement piece. This is definitely that type of statement piece. And you know what else, now that I'm talking about it, I think could be really cool in this? I don't know if you guys have seen lately, I don't know the name of the company, forgive me, I will find it and share it. But there is a company that will give you like sand that you can create almost a candle out of anything. And it's not wax, but it's just actual sand. And then they give you wicks so that you can pour sand into any kind of vessel that you have and then add the wicks in there, and you can keep reusing it over and over again. Nothing melts except for the actual wick. So I bet this would look awesome if I poured some sand in here, maybe got one of those types of candles, added some wicks, and just had this be like a beautiful piece of ambiance to have at night on top of the coffee table or something. I think it would look absolutely gorgeous. It's heavy, it's substantial. This piece was $49.99, which for the size of it and for the uses that I can get out of it, I thought that it was a great deal. This second item that I picked up at HomeSense is definitely one of the more classic items, and that's why I grabbed it. It is this rich chocolatey brown wooden dough bowl. This to me is a staple item. It's something that's so simple, but that you can really transition and use in so many different ways. And I didn't have anything that was this particular scale and this particular depth, but look at all the rich wood tones in this piece. And I also really liked the shape of it. I really liked how it has almost like a little bit of a pointed edge on both sides. This is an excellent bowl that you can put some filler in for the holidays. You can also add candles to this type of bowl. I'm picturing this maybe using it around the season of fall with some acorns and things around the bottom, maybe a candle in the middle. This is also great for a shallow plant holder, like a shallow planter, maybe adding like a faux orchid or artificial plant of some sort and then adding some moss all around it. It's also a very practical piece. So if you're looking to maybe warm up a kitchen counter, you can use this as a fruit bowl. Maybe add like your bananas here, your avocado. I always like having a bowl on the counter in my kitchen. It helps me to eat those healthier foods and also helps to blend in the functionality with the beauty in the home decor. So a piece like this is so versatile. You can use it so many different ways. And for me personally, I didn't have anything in this really rich chocolatey brown wood tone. And I've been craving those tones, especially now as we start thinking about moving into those cooler weather months. I know we're not there yet, but I like to plan ahead. And I think that this would just be perfect for that season. I'm also just thinking that those Amazon candle holders that I shared with you earlier would be another great item to add in these because they have a very sleek profile. And since this is not super wide, I think it would look beautiful with maybe one of those on either side here, add some filler or moss to the bottom, change it out with the seasons. I think that that would just add such a beautiful element to your home decor. These pieces are also great for layering, so you don't have to lay it flat. I'm even thinking that this would be really nice, maybe leaned up against the backsplash in a kitchen, maybe mixed in with some cutting boards and items like that. Moving on to the items that I purchased when I went over to IKEA, I grabbed 3 of their Euro shams. They have this really rich golden color that is just so luxurious feeling. And I've been thinking of doing a little refresh in our master bedroom. Right now, we currently have all white bedding and I mixed in some blue in there, some nice cool blues. And I thought that swapping out the Euro shams, which are currently white with a little bit of gray, with something like this just adds so much warmth. IKEA, as you know, is just super affordable, very practical. So I grabbed 3 of these. So it has this really nice feel to it where it's very soft and it's also like a golden sort of yellowy color. So it's very rich feeling, it's very warm feeling. And I don't know about you, but I always like it when my bedding feels like that. It just makes me want to get cozy in it. And I just think that it adds an extra layer of dimension and depth to the already existing bedding. So Euro shams, if you're not familiar, they are larger than the standard size pillows. So I liked that IKEA had these. They are 26 by 26. So great size, makes a nice statement, especially on a queen or a king size bed. I'm super excited to change these out and share with you how that goes. Next up from IKEA is this little item that I just thought was so cute and beautiful. It's this little watering can. I love the detail on this watering can. It is like a creamy kind of color and it has this golden sort of brassy detail on the handle. And it's just so pretty. And I do water my plants a lot in the kitchen and I am guilty of using like measuring cups, plastic measuring cups, whatever I have at the ready. But again, bringing in beauty and functionality, I just think that this looks so nice. Like I wouldn't mind leaving this out on my kitchen counter, but even if it goes in my cabinet, it just makes me happy. I really love this skinny, sleek spout. So my current watering situation is that I grab a plastic measuring cup that always spills. So I walk around with like a paper towel or 2 that I hold under it when I feed the plants with water because I know I don't want any of the drips to fall. And it sounds like something that's so simple, so silly that I just didn't think of it before. But when I saw it at IKEA, I was like, that is what I need. So I grabbed this one. They also have another one in like a very deep, like forest green color. So I'll link these both options for you down below. But this just makes me so happy. I think this would look so pretty, like maybe by your door if you're going outside to water, or again, maybe on the side of your kitchen counter if you have some watering to do for indoor plants. It's just functional and sleek and I loved it. Okay, so heading over to the final items that I picked up from Michaels. This was hard because Michaels had so many good deals going on right now. They have so much on clearance, but what I did grab that I was very happy with, this little mini wood dough bowl. This is so cute. And I really like the hue of this brown in the wood. I think it's just so pretty. I love the detail on the side of these. I like how it comes to points on each end. So it just adds that extra little character to it. You can really, in my opinion, never have too many of these smaller items, especially when it comes to something like wood that just brings in such that pop of warmth. So this looks great when you pair it with any type of greenery. You can add some Spanish moss to the bottom. You can maybe add one of those little potted plants in it that sort of drapes over it. Really just any area that you want to cozy up. A lot of these stores, as you know, are getting ready to bring in their fall items. Some of them have already started. So they are looking to clear out all of the other items. And that is why I grabbed this one. I just thought it was so cute. It was a great price. This would look amazing on our new bookshelves. Even in a bathroom, I think this would be a really nice soap caddy. Just have some lotion and some bar soap for guests to come and use. Of course, can be used as a candle dish, maybe with a candle and pair it with a snuffer. So many great uses for this. It's endless. I don't even see any need to have to store this because I feel like you could always find a spot for it in your space. These next two items I purchased from Michael's were also on clearance. They are these gorgeous glass vases. And I couldn't believe it because they actually had these in their spring clearance section. These are considered spring items, but when I look at these and I just see that rich hue of like that amber glass, kind of golden brown, this to me is perfect for fall, so I almost couldn't believe it. These are normally $24.99 and they were on sale for $7 and change. I love the shape of them. I love the fluted detail in the glass. I might use these as vases, but I might also use these as candle hurricanes. I just think that they're so pretty, and once you light these up, especially at night, they would just give such a warm, soft glow. They also have this really beautiful gold rimmed detail. It's very subtle. I like to decorate a lot for Halloween. I know not everybody's big on Halloween. I tend to do Halloween in less of like a creepy kind of way, and I really like to do it more elegant, kind of like haunted mansion kind of feel. And I just think that if you had a lot of like dark Halloween items and then you pop in an item or two like this, it would just help to sort of warm things up and make them feel cozy and break up all of that black. But you can see that it has this ombre kind of style where it starts out clear glass up top and then it just gets deeper and deeper into that amber color as you move down. I think they would also look really pretty with fall stems coming out of them. Very versatile, and I really liked the size of these. This is a great affordable option if you want that Pottery Barn kind of feel, but on a budget. It's always great to take items like this that are exactly the same and then prop one up and put one down lower. Maybe move one a little bit further back, a little bit forward. And when you do that, you create repetition, and the eye really likes repetition. So it's just a trick that a lot of designers use. You grab the same item and you just either put them side by side, which can look great, or just alter very slightly the height and the depth of each of them. And having them right near each other just creates that repetition and adds beauty in any kind of design. So I was happy to grab both of these. They were an excellent price. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I truly appreciate you being here, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know maybe which item was your favorite, what you thought about this curated haul, and what you guys thought about my styling tips. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel. I really appreciate it. And I do love hearing from you. So definitely leave me that comment down below. And if you like videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed so that you never miss a video. I have lots of great fall content coming and holiday content coming, and I would love to be able to share that with you. So I hope that you stick around and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you next time. Take care.